video, all I want to show you is the real way to make money online. That's what I'm about to show you now. Without wasting much time, if you are with your phone or your laptop, all you need to do is just to type google.com, www.google.com. Once you're on Google, another thing you need to do is just to click on search. And once you click on search, click on google.com news. Okay. Once you click on google.com news, you just select this very one. Once you click on this, it will take you to their news website. As you can see, there's a lot of news here. World news. If you want to switch to world news, you can click here. Your local news, you can click here. Business news, you can click here. Technology news, you can click here. Entertainment news, you can click here. Sports, you can click here. Science, you can click here. And health, you can click here. Don't worry, I will show you how you can make $500 plus per day. This is not joke. What I'm about to review to you right now is something that will help your life. Okay, so make sure you stay till the end of this video, because there's a lot of things you will learn. So once you are here, all we need to do is just to look for any one of your choice. Okay, let me just click, like for example, I click business. Okay, it will bring all the type of news in the world. That's what it will bring. Okay, you then look for the one you prefer. You look for the one you prefer. Let me just click on technology and innovation and reform traditional business processes. Okay, once I click on this particular one, you wait for it to load. Okay, we are here already. All we need to do is just to copy. We don't even need to do anything. We copy the article. Okay, we copy the article. After copying the article, the next step is just to go to this website, www.spinboot.com. Okay, once you are in this, all you need to do is just to paste that article here. Okay, paste that article. As you can see, this Spinboot will help you rewrite this article and it will become yours. Okay, it will help you rewrite it. It will help you rewrite this article. So this is it. It will help you rewrite it. As you can see, it have already rewrite it to be the same thing but in different ways. Okay, the same thing in different ways. Okay, all you need to do after this, you copy it. That's the next step. You copy this ways and go to this particular website that I will review to you. There's 3 websites that I will review to you right now that will make you cool cash. At least you can make $500 plus. If you follow me step by step, let me review this to you. Okay, I write. Okay, I write is a website that will pay you for your article. As you can see here, you don't write anything. All you need to do is just to copy and paste, and you keep making that money. Okay, so we are here. The next thing we need to do is just to create an account. Okay, you click on write content. Once you click on write content, it will bring you to where you can sign up. Okay, and once you sign up, you will start writing your content. Okay, the means of payment, they can wire it through bank transfer, they can wire it through PayPal. Okay, you can demand for these 2 methods of payment. Okay, the next one we are going to look into is text broker. Okay, you just write www.textbroker.com, and once you are here, the reason why I love this one so much, because this one you can make a lot of money. Okay, once you are here, all you need to do is just to sign up by I write content. Once you click on I write content, it will take you to where you can sign up. Okay, it will take you to where you can sign up. Okay, let's just click I write content and it will bring you here, and registration is free also. Okay, once you are here, okay, Why write for test broker? Free of charge, flexible time management, and reliable payments. Read here why it pays to become a test broker author. Okay, that's if you want, you can go there. So how it works is that you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it will bring you here. Either you want to become a client to order content, or you sign up as an author to earn money writing content. Okay, you can do these two things. So I love this because this is something that you can do with your free time. Okay, you can do this with your free time and still make a lot of cash. Okay, this is what you can do with your free time and make your cash. As you can see here, this is the words and their payments. Okay, if you write 100 article, 100 words, you get 1.60 cents. Okay, if you write 270 words, you get 4.32 cents. And if you write 2100, you get 33.60 cents. This is wow. If you can write 12,000 words, you earn $1,902. Okay, so this is wow for me. Okay, because a lot of people have been cashing out with this method. So what are you waiting for? Let's just make that money. Okay, the next one is scripted.com. Okay, scripted.com. This one you can still join this one. Okay, you can join as many as you can and keep posting there, and you will keep making money. That's the only thing we do in our channel, Online Money Hunter. Okay, so you click on sign up. Once you become a member, become a writer. Once you click on become a writer, then it will take you to where you can sign up. And once you sign up, you become a writer and you will make real cash. Okay, you click on become a writer, you click on apply now. And once you click on apply now, this is the services that they render. Okay, this is it. This is everything you need to know. So once you come to this website, all you need to do is just to click on get started. And once you click on get started, it will take you to another place where you can fill your form, like first name, last name, business email, and choose password. Okay, then create account. Very simple and straight. So all you need to do is once you are in this website, you create account for free and start making money. So I don't know the reason why you are still wasting time. Hop in and start making money. Hop in and start making money. That's what we do here. So thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Please, if you have any question to ask me the question on the comment below. And please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'll be dropping awesome video like this every day. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and also like this video. Okay, love you all.